Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to read Robinhood stocks. Open the app and tap Watch List, then add symbols you care about. Look at current price, day change, and 1D chart for quick context. Tap a symbol to see metrics like market cap, P/E, and dividend yield. Use news and analyst rating to add qualitative context. Practice with a small buy to learn order types and risk. Start by selecting the time frame that matches your trading horizon, for example 1D for day trades or 1M for swing ideas. Add a 50 and 200 moving average to see trend direction and crossovers. Watch volume spikes when price breaks key levels, they often confirm moves. Use the compare tool to overlay indices or competitors for relative strength. Keep your view uncluttered to avoid analysis paralysis. If this video helps, please subscribe and like so I can make more content. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It makes reading earnings reports and investing guides easier on your eyes during long sessions. It's great for learning on commutes or coffee breaks and pairs nicely with late-night research. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on a few reliable metrics rather than every statistic. Market cap shows company size and typical volatility, while P/E signals valuation relative to earnings. Review revenue and earnings trends for consistency, and note dividend yield if income matters. Analyst ratings add perspective, but do not replace your judgment. Build a simple checklist for new stocks so your decisions remain consistent and less emotional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.